I think what worked wonderfully in our favor was that I think we had an equal mix of a lot of effectiveness that happened in the form of a lot of thought leadership that we'd done. We launched a shopper marketing tool. We had a conference on shopper marketing. I think that really worked very well for us.
Roti and the Vodafone earmuffs, of course, they've been the highlight for us for this year. Hopefully, we'll be able to repeat something crazy like that again. Trying our best.
Well, to be honest, this year has been really great. We won close to 30 awards, and this evening has just been great. It just puts the icing on the cake. Last year as well, we had won the Digital Agency of the Year, India, South Asia, as well as the silver for Independent Agency of the Year. Just got one better this time with us winning the gold for the Independent Agency of the Year. So I guess it's been a great year, and we are really happy. That would be hyper-personalization for sure. It's one of those campaigns which probably comes once in your career. It's something that we almost dreamt up, and nobody believed that it was possible for that campaign to really take shape. We did it. We won more than 20 awards for it. And at a point of time, even Facebook believed that it was not possible for us to really scale this up, but we did. And to now get recognition from Facebook globally, saying that this is something that's really amazing and one of the awesome users of the Facebook platform is really great. So it's one of those campaigns which is very close to my heart.
Great work. A creative person has to deliver great work. Have to be very experimental, have to be bold, edgy, and that's what I've been doing since kid.
Well, I'm honored and delighted both. I think credit goes to the team. I think they wrote a fabulous entry. And at the end of the day, I think Mudra Max has done extremely well. So credit to the whole team, and I dedicate that award. I'm the figurative head to pick it up, but I think the credit goes to the entire team. Lemon Patalam, the stuff we've done for Star in terms of the launch, a lot of great work for ASL, and then of course the list continues.
It's easy when you have the kind of team you have, the kind of clients we have, so it's not much of an effort. I mean, all you have to do is roll up your sleeves and do your work. The rest just follows. All the Cadbury campaigns, in particular, I think they're all campaigns which are close to me.